Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the GAN Skewb M. I believe this is the original version, so it doesn't have the extra magnets. I will be adding core magnets to the cube in a later video, just not in this one. So first off, we need to get this thing unboxed. Ah, there we go. Okay. Simple enough. Cube in a very big box. And then you have whatever is in here. Have nuts. I don't know what to do with these. Bag, which is nice because I'm running out of bags. Okay, let's see. Okay, instructions. English maybe? Okay, English instructions. Assuming this is for tuning. Yes. Let's see. Okay, let's do first turns and then we'll move the cube and set it up. More plastic. We really need to cut down on the plastic. It's harming the environment. Oh no. This is... I don't think this is UV. Looks like in the light though, so probably matte. Or frosted. Oh. I don't know how to turn a Skewb, so like this, I believe, so if you just like turn the face this. The first thing I noticed is that I don't know if this is like factory lubed, but like it's really papery and dry. I'm gonna have to fix that. It's got some strong magnets, though. Like, let's see. Yeah, so like the auto alignment isn't that great, so I'll be adding extra magnets to this in a later video. Stay tuned. And then, so let's see, how do I get these caps off? There we go. Now, so you don't need the other ones. I hope I put this in the right way. I don't know anything about Skewbs. Oh well, okay, let's lube this. So what do I have? Speed 2 Sharp Stardust, FC Calm, FC Rush, and then GAN Lube number 1. So let's see. First off, to dampen the feel, we'll use a couple drops of Calm. Just like pry it open and just like put drops there. Okay. Okay, so now that it's lubed, set up, don't really need much else. Actually, it's a decently fast cube, at least for me. And we're gonna see if I'm capable of solving this thing. So while you guys watch a couple of my solves, I would just like to remind you guys to like, subscribe. It helps me out a ton. It only takes a second. If we hit 100,000 subscribers before registration for Worlds 2027 opens, I'll go and I'll make a video on it. Second, there's going to be a donations page linked in the description. if you guys donate $1,000, I'll buy a ton of stuff from the cubicle, and I'll have a huge unboxing series about that. $1,000 might seem like a lot, but if the first 100 people who view this video each donate $10, that's $1,000. You guys can also support me on my Patreon page, patreon.com/mindofcubing. I have different membership stuff, posting exclusive content, and yeah. So as for final reviews of this cube, personally, I think it turns pretty well. Magnets, there could be like edge magnets, piece magnets, instead of only 4 magnets. Like the original version, which is the one I have, only actually has 8 magnets in it, which is kind of surprising for a GAN cube. But for Skewb, it's kind of expected. In a later video, I'm going to be modding the cube and adding some extra magnets, so stay tuned for that. And well, it's only $21, so like, it's worth a try if you guys like these cubes. Well, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.